In this segment, we are going to talk about table relationships. What are table relationships? Table relationships is a situation whereby you keep data in a very optimal way, whereby if you have already captured data in the customer table, you don't need to capture it again into order table. So what it means that you already have one instance of, say, uh, this customer Edwin. Say Edwin. Edwin is not going to appear many times in the order table. So you have order table here. We don't expect to repeat Edwin in this table, the order table. So the beauty about Microsoft Access is that you keep records more efficiently vis-a-vis Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, if to show an example here, if you are to keep information about customer orders, each time a customer orders something, say customer Andrew, he wanted to order maybe a sugar, how many packets or kilograms? 20. If Andrew comes back again to order maybe salt, again you have to repeat Andrew, salt. This becomes very, very cumbersome, and that's where the concept of relationship databases are coming, because here you keep the record once for all. So just to give you more overview about relationships, you can go here home and sorry, it's under database tools. You click on relationships here. So when I double click here, first close these. They are not important for now. These are not. So what you want to do, this is the pane where you manage relationships. So you right click and they say show table. Which table do you want to show? Customer table and the order table. Close. So the relationship we want to create is customer ID connecting to customer ID. In that way, the tables will be communicating with one another. And it's the easiest way to do it. You just click on this and drag it on top of this one here. And it will ask you to create a relationship. So once I say create, the relationship is created. And I'm going to show you another way you can create this relationship. So you can close here and you want to save. So we've created a relationship between these two tables. What does it mean? It means that the two tables are now connected to one another. So I'm going to show you another way how you can create this relationship, which I find sometimes more efficient. So what you do, you delete this relationship first, and you go to you want to save? Yes. So you go to because we know that any order that is placed, it has to be placed by a customer. So we go to the customer table, right click, design view. So it means that we want to connect this customer ID to the customer ID into the custom, which is located in the customer table. So you come here, instead of a number, you click there and they say lookup wizard. And then here what you do, you select I want to look up a field to get the value from another table or query. So you select here the first option, you go next. So we want to pick information from customer table. The information we want is customer ID. Next. So here you can see the customer ID. You can as well take first name and last name. You will see how things are coming out, but we're interested in customer ID. You go to next. and you can always have this information in ascending order. When it pops up, you go to next. You hide the key column. This one, if you want it hidden, you can select hide, but for now let's leave it open. You go to next. So the customer ID is the critical one. Next. Then enable data integrity. I will explain these later, but for now let's keep at that. And it says the table must be saved before a relationship can be created. Save now. So we have created a connection, a live connection between customer table and the order table. Once I'm done, I can save and close. So what is the benefit of that? It means that each time I go to capture data, I'll be able to come here and see a list of the customers, and I select, for example, Zane is the customer, and you see it keeps just the number instead of keeping the entire information. 14th, and maybe sort in this case. Maybe you want to put a comment, maybe none, you can leave it empty. Delivered, maybe not delivered. You go on to the next one. Say maybe this one is Frankie, and the date is probably again 14th. Maybe paper, and you can as well leave it that empty. So you see the connection we've made has enabled us to have this drop down. So that's the relationship we've created through a table. Just to show you that the connection is already there, if I go to relationships, it connected the customer table to customer to order table. With that, thank you very much. Let's connect in the next training segment session. Thank you.